Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ajeng Ayu Kharisma. I'm student at University 17 Agustus 1945 and I'm studying in the program called Pendidikan Kepercayaan terhadap Tuhan Yang Maha Esa. In this video, I will take you to a special village in Central Java, the name Jalawastu. Jalawastu is a traditional village where people live close to nature and follow the old tradition from their ancestors. It's peaceful, beautiful, and full of meaning. Let's explore Jalawastu together. Far from the noise of the city, nestled at the feet of Mount Tumbang in Brebes, Central Java, there lies a village that time seems to have forgotten Jalawastu. This is not just another rural village. Jalawastu is traditional, cultural village where people live in harmony with nature, uphold ancestral tradition, and carry forward a legacy that has lasted for generations. Even water is treated with that respect. In Jalawastu, it's forbidden to use salt or detergent in the sacred springs. Why? Because water is life. It's great. Cleanliness, both physical and spiritual, is a central part of their daily practice. The houses here are built using local material, no bright paint, no fancy tiles. Roofs are made from a natural fiber from sugar cane. The simplicity isn't a science of property, but a philosophy that nature provides what we don't know, and we should never take more than necessary. Community values are the heart of life where people work together, share meals, and help each other without being asked if there's a deep sense of togetherness, or as Indonesian call it, gotong royong that many modern places have long forgotten. was officially handed over in 2020, a moment of pride not just for the village but for all who value living tradition. What makes Jalawastu unique is not that it resents change, but that it uses which changes to embrace preserving its roots while letting the younger generation grow.